National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County and East Central Kansas.
Wrapped up in drugs.
What can they do?
My life's been crappy because I take pain medication.
To open her eyes.
She needs detoxification.
I have my own doctor.
The doctor's office, it's sleazy, disgusting.
What will it take?
So you don't want to get better?
To save Alexandra.
I don't want to come to your funeral.
Then on Friday,
my fiancé stood me up on my wedding day.
the runaway groom returns.
Why didn't you show up?
I called it off the night before.
That's a lie.
No, it's
That's a lie.
That's Friday.
The deals are incredible all month long on your brand new Hyundai, including the all-new Hyundai Sonata. All at Vancouver Hyundai at the Vancouver Auto Park on the north side of SR 500, where you'll drive a little and save a lot.
Got tough bathroom stains? Kaboom with OxyClean does more in your bathroom.
The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a tornado warning for Anderson County, Knox County until 11:15 a.m. At 10:43 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Oak Ridge. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This storm has a history of producing significant wind damage and possible tornado touchdowns. Locations in the warning include Clinton, Carnes, and Bearden. Do not use highway overpasses for shelter. Overpasses do not provide protection from tornadic winds. Vehicles stopped under bridges block traffic and prevent people from getting out of this storm's path into shelter. If you cannot drive away from the tornado, get out of your vehicle and lie flat in a ditch as a last resort. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Wednesday afternoon for southwest North Carolina and much east of Tennessee and southwest Virginia.